Good morning. As I just had to share the beautiful energy that I'm feeling this morning. I'm in the middle of moving, and it's been a little overwhelming and stressful because it's just, life, trying to figure out how to get everything done. And it's been a real challenge. And there's lots of additional stressors, and in the past I would have been completely just frazzled by the number of things going on in my head. I told my sister yesterday that I felt like my head was going to explode. But yet it wasn't. It didn't affect me the way that it used to. For some of the stressors that I'm experiencing, I would have had like the flood of stress hormones in my body, really need to just cocoon, even in the middle of the day. But I felt the stress, but I didn't feel that level of stress. And so I'm really grateful and proud of the healing that I have done. And one of the things that so before I went to sleep last night, I asked my guides to just speak to me. And I do this often before going to sleep. I ask them to speak to me and tell me, give me guidance. Show me what to do, how to do it. Guide me with every decision, every act, everything that I choose to do. Help me to use my time and my energy as wisely as possible. And I know when I made the request, I said, whether it's conscious or unconscious, because a lot of times I have dreams and I get messages, but I don't remember them. But I know that my higher self, is receiving the messages and understands them, even if I can't remember them. So I set this intention before I fell asleep last night after a very overwhelming day, and I got the best night of sleep. I also asked the spirits to please cleanse me. I felt like I was carrying a lot of the stressful energy, the baggage that comes with life that you pick up just going about your day. You have different situations and connections or incidents that happen, and they leave an energetic impression, and it's easy to just keep carrying that, and there's nowhere for it to go unless you consciously cleanse it. And so, I do daily ritual cleansing in the mornings and evenings, but I felt like I needed more. And so I asked, please cleanse me, because I need help cleansing. And so I woke up at about 5 o'clock this morning, and I was really grateful and amazed that I woke up with a song in my head, but not it's a made up song. And it clearly came from a dream I had during the night that I couldn't remember. And the dream was, the song rather, was, God is not dead. He's alive and kicking. And he still performs miracles. And it just kept playing over and over in my head. And I just woke up feeling so full, so happy, so complete, such peace, even in the midst of the storm. And that's been really amazing to feel that, because that's really what I need right now. So I really receive and accept that message from the spirit world today, from God. He is not dead, and he performs miracles. And, I grew up in a religious family, so I had a lot of issues around the word God. It was extremely religious. And so for a long time after I became an adult and kind of separated from that religion, I had a real issue with God. Like sometimes I would be reading a self-help book and they would say, God, put the book down, can't finish it. That's how scarred I was. But now through lots of healing and really a greater, deeper understanding of God and what that means, I am no longer put off by it. Right? I accept and receive God's love, the help of the spirits, the spirit world. There's so many high vibrational beings that are here to help us. And so, yes, there is God, and then there are all these other energies and entities that want to help us. So, yeah, no, I just feel really grateful that it's been, grateful that I could wake up feeling good, feeling ready to face all the things that I need to work on and resolve, just all the life stuff, you know? And the other thing that happened was that during the night when I woke up, I felt myself being cleansed. And it's an experience I've had before. This one was milder, but still effective. It's exactly what I needed. Which for me feels like energy moving through my body. And it's very pleasant, almost euphoric. It is a warmth and a vibration, kind of electrical, like almost like a very comforting, I want to say like a static electricity, but it's not quite like that. But it's just kind of this low level soothing electricity. Like it's not jarring and shocking. It feels really good and comforting. And I felt it, and I intuitively recognized that I was being cleansed, and I just gave thanks for it and surrendered to it, allowed the cleansing to happen. Yeah, and it was really beautiful. And so I'm just grateful that we can tap into the spirit world, that we can ask for help, that we can get the help that we need. And I'm so grateful for it. I'm grateful that I have the ability to do that, have the desire to do it, and I follow through on it. And I just want to encourage you today, wherever you are, whatever is happening in your life, I want you to know that there is a way out. And, you know, the other thing they told me, the other message I got during the night upon waking was, you don't have to figure it all out now. Just take it one step at a time. Because my brain was working. How do I solve this problem? What do I do about this? And it's good to think and mull things over, but for me, I can sometimes get to a place where I'm so stressed out by trying to solve everything that my brain just spins, and that's when I feel like my brain's going to explode from just too much information, trying to consider and solve too much. So the other message I received was, don't try to solve everything right now. Just do what needs to be done. Do what's in front of me was really the phrase. And so all I can do is do one thing at a time. All you can do is one thing at a time. And that's good enough. And I felt intuitively that the answers are going to come. I don't have to solve it all now, because the answers are going to come. So even though I want all the answers right now, which is a very natural human thing, they're not all going to come right now. And that's okay. And getting that message allows me to be at peace with that, and to know that, okay, I can relax. I can relax because I don't have to have it all figured out right now. The answers are going to come. And so I just want to encourage you today to know that the answers are going to come. That wherever you are, whatever you're experiencing, you don't have to figure it all out right now. But walk your path, stay true to who you are, connect to the spirit world in a real authentic, deep way, make space and time for that, because that's how you're going to get the answers. It's how you're going to know what to do. And stay in integrity. Do what you know is right. Make sure that your heart, mind, and spirit are aligned so that your energy goes all in one direction. So I just had to share that this morning, because I know it was so encouraging for me, and I hope that it's encouraging for you as well. And so you could probably hear a lawnmower in the background. That's why I'm in the car, but they just keep following me. But anyway, This is Elevated Energy, and I am Deborah, and I'm here to share and help lift you up and help you grow, because we all need the support. We all need people in our corner that are really rooting for us. And, you know, I'm just here to wish you a great day and harness your energy, save your energy for yourself, make yourself your first priority, and that will make your whole life better. And that's all I got to say for now. Have a great day.